Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to log into Snapchat without verification code. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you cannot bypass a required security verification code directly on Snapchat without an alternative method, but you can log in using a pre-saved recovery code or even use a recognized device. So as you can see here, this is my phone. I've been using this phone to log in with my Snapchat account. So as you can see here, you have a ton of options, right? So you can go ahead and tap on continue with Google right here if you've signed up using your Google account, or sign in with a passkey. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you right here how easy it is to log in with Google. Okay. So just tap on it, select from one of your Google accounts, wait for it to load. And once it loads, you're good to go. Again, all you got to do is try to log in from a phone, tablet, or home Wi-Fi network that you have used before with that account. As Snapchat may skip extra checks in here. And if that still won't work for you, well, the only option that you have is to contact Snapchat support to at least try to recover your account. And those are the ways to log into Snapchat without a verification code. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.